My question is to Kamlesh Vasneji. Revision by the commissioners under section 263. The setup you are aware about and the participants are aware about, so I don't need to narrate the thing. With this kind of setup and filtering the entire process of e-assessment, do you really feel there is a necessity of provisions of section 263 applicability so far as erroneous and prejudicial to revenue is concerned, sir?
Okay, so I will answer this in two parts. The first part is that we still have assessment happening under outside faceless assessment that is under international taxation and central charges. So therefore 263 is warranted, number one. Number two, your question, Samir Bhai, which is that what about faceless assessment? If assessment is done by a faceless team, then can it be reviewed under 263? So the question is, I mean, that ultimately they are also human beings, and there could be a mistake happening at that point of time also. Chances are less, but theoretically it is possible, and it can happen sometime that a particular issue was not properly examined. So even outside international taxation, outside central charges, there are chances that maybe less chances, but there are chances that for the faceless system also, this can be reviewed under 263. Of course, one can raise a point that whether then commissioner should be competent to review order under 263, because there is a team out there in faceless where commissioner may also have been involved there. So that's a valid question, and which is definitely under our consideration. But that question needs to be addressed. But so far as 263 section is concerned, not only for central charges or for international taxation, even for faceless system, there is necessity to maintain that section.
Kamlesh ji, we very well take your point. We do not want abolition of 263. We only wish that a very healthy, because the world is looking at us, as Dr. Pushpinder ji said. I think if we want to have faith in the efficacy of our FAS, the cases of 263 must be extremely minuscule. Otherwise, we are challenging our own jurisdiction.
Absolutely. Keshwai, that's a very fair point.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
That point made by you is really well taken. It is our endeavor in group-based assessments that those kind of mistakes which can be called prejudicial to the interest of the revenue are avoided. And secondly, if at all it happens where any action is to be taken, the difference now is that everybody's action is open to audit trail. So rest assured that if at all it takes place, there will be a responsibility on the officers also. So they will not take this kind of action very easily. No commissioner would venture into a decision which has been taken maturely, considerately, by application of mind by group of officers. So your point is very well taken.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.